Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mummy's Secret Recipe channel. So today I am sharing the most easiest and yummiest recipe, and it is Chinese Karahi. So let's start. In a hot pan add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now in hot oil fry a small onion. When the onion turns brown, add 1 teaspoon heap of garlic paste and half teaspoon of ginger paste. Now add half kg of washed chicken in it. Fry the chicken until it changes the color. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Chinese salt, half teaspoon of mustard paste, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now cook it on high flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt in it. Now mix the yogurt on low flame. Now cover it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now after 7 minutes, add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. Now mix all these on high flame. Hence the Chinese Karahi is ready to eat. For its garnishing, I am using some green chilies and thinly sliced ginger. Yummy, it turns out so good. You can have it with a naan or homemade chapati. I hope you like this recipe as it is the most unique recipe from the Mummy's recipe list. Please like this video, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Signing off, take care, bye bye.